Today's video is going to be lash lifting video. I'm gonna try to lift my lashes using the Luxe Lash Lift set. So if you want to see if it's gonna be a success, then stay tuned. Hey babies, welcome to Kimberly Worldwide. My name is Kim. I'm gonna be your host for this video. And if you're not familiar with my channel, I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. So if you're into that, hit that subscribe button and come join me on my channel. Today's video is going to be an interesting one because I am going to lift my lashes right at home. So it's kind of like a DIY. If you're like me and you're pretty clumsy, then I'm just crossing my fingers that this is going to work. So if you're not familiar with a lash lift, is basically putting a curl in your lashes that's gonna last for about 6 to 8 weeks. So you don't constantly have to curl your lashes before you put on your mascara, and it's gonna naturally open up your eyes and make it all look fabulous, hopefully. You can go to a salon to have this done. I think it's about $100 or something. So if you want to save yourself some money, you can try it yourself. I'm not gonna talk you guys' ear off. We're just gonna go and see if this works. So, you ready? Here we go. If you decide that you want to try to give yourself a lash lift right at home, you're gonna need a lash lifting kit. And the one I'm using today is this one. It's from Luxe Cosmetics. It was about $39.95. This is what's in the box. All these cute little packages. And let me show you guys what's in these little packages. Okay, a quick little rundown of what came in the lash lift box. We have first the lift pads. Those are gonna curl and shape your lashes. There's a bunch of those. Then we have the lash combs. There's 3 of those in there. And those are these Y-shaped combs. Then we have 5 of step number 1 perm lotion packages. This means that you can do this procedure 5 times. We have 5 of the fix lotions, which is step 2. And we have 5 of the nourishing lotions, which is step 3. Also in the box are these applicators to apply these products with. And of course, there is the adhesive that we'll also need. Another addition in the box was this lash lift tutorial, which is gonna show you exactly how to do this procedure. So see, it's step-by-step little manual. Let's see if this actually works. Let's go. What I like about this kit, they make it very easy. It seems very easy because they put in a little manual with pictures in there, and on their website they also have like a full video showing you how to do this at home. So the instructions are fairly simple, which is good. Now about my lashes, you guys may know, if you're familiar with my channel, that I do a lot of mascara videos and stuff, and I always end up curling my lashes. My lashes do not hold a curl for nothing. I can curl them all I want, even using heat, and like half an hour later the curl's gone and they're straight again. And if you have that issue too, then hopefully this will work for us. Yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm a little bit, not sure, but we're just gonna go with it. Let's just get right into it. I'm gonna put up some pictures first of my lashes before starting this trial here. Okay, so here are those pictures.
Don't know if you know this too.
I believe I just put up some pictures showing my lashes before. They are really nothing much going on. They're thin, they're not curling, they don't hold a curl, they're just straight, kind of pointing downward and all that. So the first thing we are going to do, we're going to prep the lashes. We're just gonna make sure it's clean. So you can put some cleanser on a cotton swab or some water, or you can even use baby shampoo and like really clean your lashes, because you don't want any oil on there. So make sure you clean your lashes well. Mine are already very clean. I have not worn makeup yesterday, and I washed my face beforehand, so just extra precaution there. And I'm gonna do one eye first and then the other eye, so we can clearly see the difference. The next thing is to choose the curl you want. As I said, the kit comes with these pads and you're gonna stick those on your eyelid, and your lashes are gonna curl over them in a way. And there's different pads for the different curl sizes, like if you want a real curly lash, or if you want a more straighter lash. And here you can see that. And I'm gonna go with this one, which is the M, which is the glamour curl, simply because I like the glamour curl, and that's also the one that they recommend you get if you don't know which curl to go with. Now, if you have really short lashes, you might go with the smaller one. But yeah, my lashes are not too shabby. This is what those look like there. So you have to apply it to your upper lid like this. And it said you can cut them if necessary. I don't think it's necessary for me to cut these. I think it'll fit fine. But let's try this. It's like a sticker. So you just peel away. See? Like that, I assume. Okay, here we go. And we're just gonna stick this on.
Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me.
Well, it's not really sticking here on the inner corner. Maybe because there's no glue on there. Well, this is wonderful. Let me just check it out real quick. This is weird. Okay, there's no glue on this whatsoever. Great. Did the glue just stuck? The glue is just sticking on here still. I think I fixed it. When I peeled away the glue strip, it peeled off the glue. Not too happy about that, but here we go. Oh, and there should be 5 treatments in this pack, which we'll see about that, but let's keep it moving.
Here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy.
Now that we did that, it's a little bit off here. Anyway, we're just gonna go with it. Next, apply the lash glue to the top of the lash pads and wait 20 seconds for the glue to dry before pushing your lashes on the pad. Let's get the lash glue. Okay, we got the adhesive. Here we go. Avoid getting it on your lashes, of course. We wait 20 seconds and then we're gonna curl our lashes over the pad.
So dirty, don't take your eyes off me, baby. Yeah.
And you want to make sure your lashes are separated. I hope you guys can clearly see it. Maybe I should zoom in more. I might need a little more glue on this end here, because maybe not. I don't want to put too much glue. Let's keep it going. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little more. My lashes are fairly long, yo. I did not know they were this long. I may have needed a little more glue because I'm seeing that the lashes are not all sticking. This is what step 1 would look like. I glued my lashes to the lash pad. There's little strings of glue everywhere, but we're just gonna go with it. I tried to separate my lashes as much as possible with this little Y-shaped lash comb, but I just used my fingers for the rest because, you know, the little hairs here and there are very difficult. So the next step is to apply the perm lotion to the midsection of your lashes and leave it on there for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the lash thickness. And you can also cover them with cling film, so make sure to leave out the tip of your lashes. So we're gonna go to step number 1, the perm lotion, and I guess you apply it with the little brush that comes with it. Ooh, very strong smell. Put some perm lotion on there. And we're gonna apply it to the midsection of the whole spiel. You don't wanna get any on the tip of your lashes. And of course, some lashes are coming loose, which really sucks. Maybe I didn't put enough glue, but we're gonna put some cling film over it so it stays in place. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little piece of cling film over my eye because to keep it all in place. And then we're gonna start the timer. So here we go. The cling film is actually helpful because it keeps, even if you didn't get glue on all your lashes, it still keeps the lashes curled up. So that is a good thing, I think. Okay, let's see what we have to do next. So after 15 minutes, then we're gonna do the fix lotion, and we're basically gonna do the same thing as we did with the perm lotion, with the fix lotion. And we leave that on for 12 minutes and then it should be done. So I'm gonna start the timer. I will be back in 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes are over now. I'm gonna remove the plastic wrap. And the next step is to remove the perm lotion using a cotton swab, a dry cotton swab. So we're gonna attempt to do that. I'm a little bit worried because the glue is getting all like flaky and stuff, but we're just gonna go with it. Next is the fix lotion, and we are going to apply that in the same way that we did the perm lotion. There, and we're gonna use another piece cling film to hold it in place. Now the cling film is optional. This has to stay on for 12 minutes, so I'll be back in 12 minutes. Okay, so 12 minutes have passed and I am removing the cling film, and I'm gonna use another Q-tip to remove the fix lotion, or try to remove the fix lotion. Okay, so now that we've removed the fix lotion, we're gonna detach the whole thing. They said use a damp cotton swab with some water on it to remove it. I think it's already pretty loose. Comb your lashes with the eyelash brush. Okay, and it's really important that you clean the lashes with a moistened cotton pad to remove any glue residue. So we are going to do that right now. If you don't clean your lashes, the perm lotion, any perm lotion that's still on there, it's going to continue to curl your lashes, which we don't want. And then you apply the nourishing lotion with another cotton swab. So that's step number 3. Nourishing lotion is very liquidy. Let me just apply that as the final step. And then you comb it through your lashes. Okay, I'm ready for my close-up. Let's see if there is a difference between the before and the after. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is the difference. Now you can instantly see a difference. As you can see, these lashes are up. It's not really a curl, it's more like a curl and then it goes up, but it's fine. I actually love it. Notice how it really opens up your eyes. This is the before. Now if I look down, you can clearly see that these point up and these point down. I'm really surprised at how soft my lashes feel still. They're not hard or anything. They feel like normal lashes. They're just really curled. There, so now I'm going to repeat the step on the other eye, and then I'll be back with the final result and some tips to keep them looking good. So I'll be right back. This is the final result. Okay guys, so that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. Now a few little things about this lash set. It definitely works. As you guys can see, my lashes are curled up. Yeah, it worked. The only thing I do have to say is that these little swabs that came in the kit are actually, I never even used these. I just used the bigger ones with the bigger tip. But most of all, I used Q-tips. So always make sure you have Q-tips on hand when you use this set. Also, make sure you remove the product thoroughly off your lids, because if you don't, it'll continue curling your eyelids after you're done and your lashes will be very super curled. Another thing also, these lash pads, I find that they don't really stick, and that was kind of annoying. So I ended up using some of the adhesive on my lids to stick them down and hold them down, which actually did work, but I don't think you're supposed to do that. And then also I'm wondering, how am I supposed to reuse these when I threw away the sticker part? So I don't know, but we'll figure that out. Yeah, I wish there were more brushes in the set, more of this little swab thingies. Other than that, it absolutely works. If you don't want to spend the money to get it done at a salon, this absolutely works. So it's easy. I noticed the second eye was like a no-brainer, so I can see that next time everything will be be super fast and it'll be set in a second. I think it's just a little learning curve in the beginning, but after that it's fine. So would I use this again? Absolutely, now that I see the results, because that's definitely a yay. You know, make sure you set the time aside, keep the product on your eyes, go by the instructions, don't leave it on longer because your lashes may get super curled and all that. Just follow the instructions and make sure within 24 hours of doing this, you don't go into a steam room, you don't sweat on your lashes, you don't put oil-based products on there. But after 24 hours, you can just treat them as normal. Make sure you brush them every morning, brush them up, and you're good to go. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was useful. Let me know what you guys think. Have you used this set before? Let me know in the comments below. I will link to this product if you guys want to try it. I'll link to it below in the comment section. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys again next time in another video.